through this Train the Trainer program today. I feel very proud of sharing some from this wonderful WAF schooling, Acharyan culture. And I hope a lot of new buds, the joiners, new joiners or whoever joined today, definitely you will learn a lot of good things because all the senior icons, that expertise people already, they are well known about what is culture. Before today's session, before I enter into the what is culture directly, I'm not going to share the what is culture. Before that, we all of us should know what is WAF schooling. If we know that knowing good and doing good around the WAF schooling, it is easy for us to take over the our culture for the betterment of the students' upliftment. So what is WAF schooling? Many of us are seeing this name on the school name board and as well as our diary, wherever you have our files and everywhere we are mentioning this WAF schooling. What is the reason we are mentioning this WAF schooling? What Acharyas, especially what they are doing inside this platform. And the next 5 minutes, I would like to hear from the new joinees and from the different region. Happily welcome once again to Acharya family. New joiners means recently you can join actually here this academic year, and some of them are from last academic year. Unexpected that this period, the COVID period, we are not able to meet each other. But you come to know that from your immediate boss, what is WAF schooling and what is the culture we are following inside the school premises. And I would like to hear from any one or two new joiners. What is the difference you feel, the plus factor, the wow factor from your previous school and the present Acharya school? Anybody, please, the next 5 minutes, one or two lines you can share with us. Then it is easy for us to take over to the Acharya culture. Anybody, dear friends? Any plus factor you have seen from your previous institution, and what is the difference you are executing here inside the Acharya campus?
Happy evening. This is Tilaha, ASM Principal, Chennai.
Welcome, madam. I'm happy to hear from you.
I think I'm also the right person to share here. The big difference, because I have been working in a principal from various schools from the past 24 years, but here I've joined in this April. I find the values and culture is entirely different from other school. The first thing is happy morning, happy noon, and happy evening. That happy culture. That is a thing. The child should be happy, and all that staff, parents, everyone, it is a happy. So that is the first thing I noticed here. And the second one, the spirituality, meditation, that is the second thing. And I think is purifying the mind in a very cultured way. That is a second very important thing I noticed here. And the third one is apart from meditation and the spirituality, and the third thing is like WAV curriculum. That is a very, very exclusive curriculum. I never ever seen anywhere in India, because I worked in many schools, but I've never seen such a exclusive curriculum, ma'am, which is completely connected the children with the society. So the social well-being is taught in each and every step of the child. So these are the things, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very happy. The short period, whatever you observed through this Acharya platform, very happy, ma'am. And let me continue with before entering into the culture, actually, we all should know about the WAV schooling. We already we are speaking about the WAV schooling. What is WAV schooling? It's like an ocean. Definitely, if you want to deep dive into the WAV schooling, definitely it will take a lot of episode to know thoroughly on the WAV schooling. But our today's session's topic is culture. But I would like to touch the outer line of the WAV schooling. Once we know what is the feel factor and knowing factor and doing factor, then only it is easy for us to take over the Acharyan culture. Okay, before that, before entering into the Acharyan culture, our what is our culture? We'll start any program with the prayer song and as well as the welcome address. And we had a wonderful welcome address from sir. And through the Acharyan culture, we start our program with the prayer song. So let us join together and pray our God. Then we'll continue our session. Thank you. Love you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
I welcome everyone. Thank you for joining in today's webinar. With all hope that you all are safe and healthy, it is a mark of our undying tradition to evoke the Almighty. For that, I would request all the Acharyans to close your eyes for a few seconds to receive the abundance of blessing to bloom in our endeavor. Today's webinar topic spins around enriching lives and empowering minds on Acharyan's organizational culture. I take the privilege of welcoming the senior-most Acharyan from Acharya family, Mrs. R. Kavita ji, Principal, Acharya Balasutra Mandir Tengatittu, to take over the session in enriching all the Acharyans with a glimpse of Acharyan culture with full of positive energy in this pandemic. So thank you for joining today. Ma'am, please take over the session.
Thank you, Chandraji, for your welcoming. And as per our today's sessions, I already told you the WAF school in the 15 years we are spending in the school is very, very important period in human life. The first, in Acharya, we have a 3 segment in schooling. The age of from 3 plus to till the 18 years, 17 years, once the child is going out from the school campus, we have a 3 segment of execution in WAV schooling system in Acharya. Particularly, the first segment is World of Wonders. That is the age group of 3 plus 2, nearly 7 age. Those children comes under the World of Wonders. And what we are doing under this World of Wonders, and the next stage is working out of wonders. That is the primary and the middle school children. It is designed in the name of working out of wonders. And the next segment is wonders of the world. There the higher school and higher secondary children comes under this segment. Why we have all these 3 segments, what we are doing under these 3 segments to improve and to make each and every individual as a holistic personality. That is our only ultimate aim for making all individuals the holistic person in future to the society. So this is all about WAV schooling. So I'm giving you a simple sample, one example for each and every segment. Since it is like ocean, if you go deep dive into this, definitely it will take 100 episodes to complete the WAV schooling. But we would like to know what is all about WAV schooling. WAV schooling means you have to question definitely what, why, when, and how. These all questions are very important. If you thorough on that, then only it is easy to take over to the level of students and give a fulfillment, the celebration to all the students. So I would like to give you a simple sample. The first segment is World of Wonders. See, the last 2 sessions, or last 4 sessions in the Train the Trainer session is very energetic, and we all enjoyed with the bodily kinesthetic intelligence. But this session is everybody definitely open the listening space. When you receive all these culture and WAF schooling, definitely we will together rock in the Acharya platform for one and only the cause for celebration, student celebration. The World of Wonders. In this age group, the child, the God has given us the wet clay. In this period, through the parents, the God has chosen Acharya. So the child in your hand is like a wet clay. There, what we are doing with that wet clay. Here, the teachers, always we are mentioning here in Acharya, teachers are not only the teacher in Acharya, they are acting, they are doing all the multiple roles. They are teacher, they are a trainer, they act as a mother, and they are a friend and philosopher, all rounder. So please, you think of this age group from 3 to age of 7. The teacher's role is very, very essential. Don't think I am only the Montessori teachers, I am entering into the class, the children won't question us. So you have a lot of responsibility. Please, before entering into the class, we as a teacher, definitely we need to work out. We are standing in front of the God. The wet clay is in our hand. What we are going to do with that wet clay? Am I going to create a wonderful part with a lot of receiving capacity, or I am going to give you a very small part? So according to my caliber, so I have to stand in front of my students. So I am making a very beautiful part in this age group. So I am, as a teacher, I need to give a space, create a lot of receiving space. So you have to create a very bigger part in this age. We all have very great salute to all the teachers of those who are handling pre-primary and primary. You have a lot of responsibility to creating the very big, wonderful part in this age. So I give you only one sample from this WOP schooling because nearly 77 to 100 tools are there to improvise our WOP schooling concept, to give the celebration to the students. I'll give you only one sample because this topic is totally for culture. But before the culture, every one of us should know what is WOP schooling, why we are doing it, what I am doing as an Acharya staff. So in this age group, how many of them are know the newcomers? I'm asking all my dear friends. In the previous schools, how many of them are know about the kite flying? I'm taking it now, the kite flying day. So in Acharya, thoroughly, all the parents and the outsiders, the word of mouth, everybody is telling that Acharya is having a lot of celebration. So are you thinking we are doing only the celebration for the enjoyment? See, any newcomers, please tell me what is all about the kite flying day. So I want to hear at least one or two sentences from the new joinees. Please join with us, teachers. I'm eagerly waiting.
It is about skill. It is about competition.
Yes, ma'am.
It is about skill.
Please introduce yourself, madam.
I'm Shobhana Rajgopal from ASM Western Ghats International School, Coimbatore.
Welcome, madam. Please tell about
it. Kite flying is all about skill.
Yes,
a lot of competition involved and definitely a lot of fun.
Okay. Happy, madam. Happy, madam. Any others? New joiners? Do you know why we are celebrating? A lot of celebration in Acharya. Just one sample, the kite flying day, we can discuss today.
Ma'am, I'm Rupa from ASM Western Ghats, ma'am.
Welcome, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Happy. Ma'am, kite flying day is to teach the concept air for the pre-primary kids, ma'am.
Very happy,
and
madam.
They can enjoy the flying also.
Very happy, madam. Right to that point. I will give you some some concept through the kite flying. Every tool is having a lot of concept behind that. So in nearly the situations, the government has declared the NEP, National Education Policy 2020, and they are going to implement it fully. It will take in the year 2030. So it will take next to 10 years for the practice. But you think of it, the mind behind this, all this WOP schooling. A person who is none other than the chief mentor of Acharya World Class Institution started this WOP schooling in the year 2002. Now we are in 2020. If each and every person from the Acharya, if we handled and taking this WOP schooling in the right platform, definitely no other platform will reach us. Definitely no word of mouth. We cannot expect the word of mouth simply from the from the other people. Through the students, definitely we can create a word of mouth. If we fall into the WOP schooling concept, I will give you the kite flying day. What we have to do as an Acharyan, for example, in the starting of the year, you sit along with your team members. We can pen down what are all the things I'm going to do through this kite flying day, when I'm going to do this kite flying, and what purpose I'm going to do it, and through this, how I'm going to transfer my knowledge to the children, and what way I'm going to enjoy with the children, and what is the purpose behind this, what is my ultimate goal through this kite flying day. Definitely we need to pen down all these points, and the year beginning you have to plan the 100 days planner. This month I'm going to do the kite flying day, and as a teacher I can teach the kite, the shape of the kite, how many shapes I'm going to teach to the students, and you can create a lot of shapes, a circle, square, and triangle, and a semicircle, whatever is possible. You can teach through the making kite with the different shape of the kite, and what possibility next? I can teach the lot of colors through the creating a colorful kite, and I can teach the concept of long tail and small tail. What is the difference between the long and small? And then above all, I'm giving the communication skills, the confidence, how the child should explore themselves by making this kite. So the child can speak at least 1 or 2 lines about the kite. Yes, madam, I am Hariharan. I made this kite with the triangle shape and I enjoyed. My kite is in green in color and I'm going to fly with the kite tomorrow. I'm going to the field trip. Small centers, you can take the children to the field trip, to the bigger lawn, or you come to the main campus, or the main campus children are going to the, they can speak, tomorrow I'm going to the lawn and I can enjoy with this kite flying. Above all, the main concept, the teacher is creating the hand and eye coordination through the kite flying day. So we have to, if I have to pen down as a teacher all these points, my dear parents, this is the how, this is the method I'm going to take over your child. Then you'll take a videograph and the photograph, then you share it in the broadcast. Then I feel, as I am a Montessori teacher, I feel I'm giving the completions and the celebration to the teacher, to the children, through this kite flying day. I will be very satisfied. Okay, through the kite flying day, I have given all the things, positive feedback, and I'm taking to the parents are also. Automatically, parents will join hands with us. What is kite flying? They will not give you any negative feedback. They will be happy. You can invite the parents or also to join with you in front of the parents, create a platform to speak 1 or 2 lines about the kite flying and the making of the, what is the essence between the kite flying day. So these things here in the age of 3 to 7 age, here 3 C's is playing in a different method. One is creativity, connectivity, and curiosity. I told you already, the children from age 3 to 7 are like wet clay. God has given us a lot of gifts. So we have a 30 children. I can create a platform for 30 students. One day, full gala celebration. You are creating the concept, you are sharing the color concept, you are sharing the what is the shape concept, you are sharing the platform for exhibit their communication skill through the kite flying, and you are having a connectivity between teacher and the parents. So automatically through the children performance, you can give a word of mouth, and you have definitely you have a full celebration mode and fulfillment. Somehow I given the some goodness to the students through this kite flying day. This is one simple sample. Each and every rule designed in Acharya, definitely lot of positiveness. Please go through that and pen down all these things and then execute in the right way. Definitely we together celebrate. And next, I will move on to the working out of wonders, because our topic is today the culture. So I will finish it next to 10 minutes. Working out of wonder is the for primary, especially when the children is coming in the stage of age of 7 in class grade 2. Here the teacher's role is totally different. The pre-primary and the primary, that the age group 7, that teachers are playing a very essential roles to create the inner space, lot of inner space to receive the capacity throughout their life. But this age of teachers from age grade 2 onwards, playing a very, very important role, how you are going to make the part colorfully, how you make the life colorfully. It's a very, very important, colorful life. You're giving colorness to their life. How, in which way we are giving? Here 3C is acting differently rather than the first segment. Second segment, you're creating the space for cooperate, coordinate, and co-create. Here, these 3 segments, once the child comes under you in the age of 7, see, all of us, by God's grace, we all of us having a multiple intelligence. Everyone possesses the 10 multiple intelligence, but in different ratio. So who is the very great responsible person here to identify the inner potential here? The teacher. If the person, if the child is having a wonderful teacher, definitely it's a gifted student. So you are Acharyan teacher. Really, the students are a gifted one. So you know what is the WOW schooling, what I'm going to deliver through this, each and every concept. And here the role is triangular relationship in this stage of working out of wonders. There in the world of wonders, playway method, curiously, side-to-side scribbling, whatever learning is, only playway method. But here working out of wonders, they have to cooperate with you, they have to coordinate, and then they co-create with all the teachers. So your work is to do making the students colorful. So here the triangular, I told you the triangular relationships. Who are all the triangular? If you are breaking any one chain, definitely it will give a pain point for the students. So as a responsible Acharya and teacher, I have to create the connectivity between these three triangle, the three corner of the triangle. Definitely we are playing a major role here. See here in the age of grade second, we are having a special tool that is BMIT, Brain Mapping Intelligence Test. Through that BMIT test, we can identify which intelligent the child is having a larger ratio. So you can, as a teacher, I am a very best teacher for my class 2 children. I can segregate all these students under the intelligence. You can hang over all these things. Okay, these 10 students are a logical intelligence student. These 10 students are linguistic intelligence students. You can place it in your classroom. Visually, whenever you see, okay, Hariharan, you are good at logical, you can create a lot of platform to execute that child in logical. Here the teacher will connect with the parent. Why I am giving you the teacher is a first point of triangle. Teacher has to identify here with the tool of BMIT, and you identify this potential, call the parents, you connect with the parents, and then sit with the parents. Dear parent, our children is having this much of capable. Beyond the curriculum, we together join hands, and inside the premises, 8 hours the child is with you. Inside Acharya, nearly 2021, easy activities are there. If my child is having a larger percentile in musical intelligence, you have a keyboard, you have a drum, you have a vocal, and lot of opportunities are there. Which one your child is more interest towards? And which platform we together going to show the extra planning for the perfection. So our MDG always pointing out that minimum 10,000 hours is essential to become an icon of that particular field. So who is going to handle? The child doesn't know who is. If the child is having a right parent, right teacher at the right time, definitely the child will become an icon of that field. Definitely, no doubt on this. See here, the teacher has to identify, connect with the parents, and discuss together, and parents financially they can support, and beyond the school hours how to plan it, because the children doesn't have any other burden or stress factors at this age group. They have a lot of time to execute themselves. So they have to show the right trainer. Beyond the first, you can plan it accordingly and cooperate and co-create. Definitely the students will become an icon of that field. This is a very important segment, working out of wonders. I would like to give you again one sample here, example like World of Wonders. So I'll take the bring from home activity. So we people are thinking, okay, this month, this week, bring from home activity. Friday, I'm going to do bring from home activity. Okay, I'll complete it. I'll make the students to stand and take a photo and video and send it to the broadcast. Even broadcast, we created only for the purpose behind it. Across Acharya, we have nearly 45 campuses. We need to create a healthy competition. So, okay, this teacher is having, you share 1 point and I'm sharing 1 point. 1 and 1 plus 2 points you are getting. That is the concept. We are creating a lot of broadcast group and we are sharing it for the healthy competitions. Okay, you know one thing, good factor, I will take it for my children. And you are taking 1 plus factor, you will take it for your children. So 2 plus factors, you will get it. That is the fact we are creating here, broadcast. Here I'll give you one bring from home activity. Bring from home activity means not only ask the children to bring something, making something from the home and taking photograph. So you have to sit again with your team members in the beginning of the year. Okay, it is possible for this year, I'm going to give only 10 bring from home activity. I plan it where I'm going to help for the students and by sharing the videos. And it is for wonders from the waste. So we are going to create the wonders from the waste material. Ask the students, dear parents, I'm going to do this bring from home activity this date, and what is the concept behind it? I'm going to make the child to create a circle time, make the child whatever the bring from activity she is having in her hand, and create a circle time to make the child to speak about 2 lines in front of all the students. It will give you a confidence and the concept and logical, and the child feel proud. Okay, I did this, the innovatively, the creative mind. It will definitely give a confidence for the child to speaking, the language platform you are creating. And then you can appreciate with OA, smiley, frowny, whatever it is. It will give a complete creation and definitely it will lead for the celebration. This is the purpose, each and every tool. I told you nearly 100 tools are there, comes under the WAF schooling. If we deep dive into this, 100 episode is waiting for you. And happily, I'm moving on to the wonders of the world. This is upper primary and the secondary, senior secondary students. There, if these two teachers, who is that Montessori and the middle school teachers handled each other, if they are giving a wonderful, creating a space for receiving capacity and colorful part, now the part is having a lot of capacity to receive, space for receive by the teacher, and it is a colorful part. Now we are handing over to the next level, high school and higher secondary. So the part is ready with them. It's an easy job for them to give a lot of knowledge through the lectures or showing the career path and celebration path, because already the children is having a mindset where I have to spend the time and how can I do the practice along with my usual curriculum. They know everything. They planned very well. So it's a time for 3C, confidence, and I have a confidence and easily collaborate with the outer circle, and it's my time to celebrate. This is all about the WAF schooling. We can definitely, as an Acharyan teacher, emerges change maker, choice maker, and the chance maker. Definitely, I'm happy to share this WAF schooling outline, only single drop to you. It is easy for me to carry over next to the Acharyan culture. Any teachers, please? Anybody wants to share your views here? Okay. No, it's not 1 minute, teachers. Okay. And I'm happy to now move to the next, our Acharyan culture. Actually, WAF schooling is very important. For that only, we are following certain Acharyan culture inside the campus. So we have certain values in Acharya. That is place for everything, everything in its place. Beauty for everything in its beauty. Possibility for everything, everything in its peak possibility. Purpose for everything, everything in its purpose. This is almost wonderful values MDG has given to us. Place for everything, everything in its place. Why we are saying this value means orderliness of the campus. இப்ப எங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம இதெல்லாம் வைக்கணும், நோட் புக்ஸ் எங்க அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும், கபோர்ட்ல தான் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். எப்படி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும்? பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கணும். ஒரு பிஸ்கெட் பாக்கெட், அவர் எப்பயுமே சொல்றது என்னன்னா, ஒரு பிஸ்கெட் பாக்கெட்டை ஓபன் பண்ணா இட் should be in order. So everything should be in order. There is a beauty for everything. நோட் புக்ஸ் அப்படியே டேபிள் மேல நம்ம ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணி வைக்கிறது அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது. பாசிபிலிட்டி ஃபார் எவ்ரிதிங், டெஃபினட்டா பாசிபிலிட்டி, பீக் பாசிபிலிட்டி என்ன, அதை இன்னும் எப்படி பியூட்டிஃபை பண்ணணும். This is our concept. This is a wonderful value shared by the Acharya, and purpose for everything, everything in its purpose. இந்த பொருள் இந்த இடத்துல தான் இருக்கணும். இப்படிதான் நம்ம குழந்தைங்களை டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணணும். ஒரு நாலேஜ் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம்ல இருந்து இந்த நாலேஜுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணணும். So these are all the wonderful values in Acharya. So we can move to the next point. And happy morning. I wish everybody before starting up of the sessions a happy evening. So everybody is touching hand in Acharya and wishing, greeting each other. What is the reason behind this happy morning? This touching heart is wholeheartedly you are expressing your gratitude and smiling from the face, not from the lips. So you're wholeheartedly greeting each other. This is the reason the body gesture is touching your heart and spreading happiness through the face. And this is the wishing culture in Acharya. Through this wishing culture, definitely we are creating the wonderful platform. Next, the happy morning by touching the heart, I already told you. And one more thing, when you express anything, you speak to each and every one. So when you speak or when you transfer anything to the other person, the person who is standing in front of you, eye-to-eye contact is very, very important. If I am saying the truth, definitely your eye should be the straight away. You are looking to the person, whoever you are transforming the knowledge. So eye-to-eye contact is very important. And how are you? Many new joinees are here. How are you means what will be your reply? Dear teachers?
Ma'am, happy and top
Happy
of
on
the world.
top of the world.
You learn. Very good, very good. See, happy means usually in ordinary place, happy, how are you means I'm fine. If you say fine, I'll give you my example now. And I got nicely several times, not only from our side. If the teacher is saying, how are you? So for example, outside people is asking you, some other teacher is asking you, how are you? If I'm saying happy, I'm fine. So that is not our culture. If your student, to your student, sometimes many times the MD has given us all the people, many of them are undergone this experience. And if your child will reply, I'm fine, definitely the teacher and the head and the whole school will get the penalty. Fine. They will collect the fine, but that is not for the management. That is for the good cause who are all in the integrity part. Okay, so through our students only where we are standing, not from our expression. Our expression is only to the students. When my students is in aligned in the Acharya culture, definitely I am also in Acharya culture. So we have to be very careful. So our students, how they are replying. How are you means happy and top of the world. And one more thing I would like to quote here. If you as a head or as a teacher transform from one class to another, many times we can see the difference. All the classes are wishing differently. How are you, my dear children? I'm happy and top of the world teachers. And some classes are happy and top of the world, happy evening, ma'am. Like that, the dragging is definitely it is not permissible inside the Acharya campus. The way, the body language, the expression, it is totally reflecting from teachers to students. So please be, as an Acharya teachers, we have to be very careful to deliver the content. So happy morning, have a happy day, and how are you? Happy on top of the world. This is the way of Acharya culture. And one more very important point, what is your name? See, what is your name? Usually we are telling, my name is. Usually, a lot of because are also we are seeing the outside, the newcomers, where they are well known about that. What is your name is my name. My name is. Instead of that, I am. You present yourself. I am Kavita. I am Hariharan. I am Harish. And like that, you please bring it as a culture through your, not only among the teacher. See, if your students are the role model, definitely the teachers are the very big created already the impact on the students. Only through the students, the word of mouth will speak louder rather than the speaking only by me and by the teacher. Only the experience and expression through the students, that is the word of mouth. We always welcome through the word of mouth, through the students' expression. And next we move on to the salute culture. See, in Acharya, when we wish each other happy morning, we are wishing instead of saluting. Usually in our school days, everywhere, ordinary other schools are also doing the practice. Good morning, madam. Good morning, sir. In that way only. This saluting culture is only for the national flag. When you hoist the flag, please salute the flag, national flag. Instead of that, no salute for the human to human. All are equal. We express your happiness through your face and from the bottom of the heart. And next point is very, very important. Walk like Rajas and Ranis. What is walk like Rajas and Ranis? Why we are always inside Acharya, we are mentioning Rajas, Ranis, instead of name, maximum we are calling them as Rajas and Ranis. So why I'm mentioning here, when the students walking inside the campus, and especially in the corridor, or wherever they are going during the break time, or wherever they are transferring one classroom to the, changing one classroom to the another classroom, when they are moving to the one classroom to the library. So please, you insist the students to walk like Raja without making the shoe noise. You just give a practice, not insisting, not transferring only the word. You have to be the role model. You have to stand there as a leader and give them a practice. Once the students get into that practice, definitely it is easy for you. Every day you don't want to stand there. So every single point, as a teacher, I have to stand with the students, give them a practice to get into the 100%. Then it is easy for you throughout the 18 years in the school campus. When the Montessori teacher is in right, giving the right transforming, and the middle school teachers is giving a right transforming, it is easy for them, for the high school teachers to guide them in the adolescent age. So these two categories are very, very important people. So we have to stand as a leader to give them a practice, performing through the student that will speak louder. And then next, in our school time, I think Acharya teachers are maximum, they played a role of class leader. So everybody, because only the leader can sustain here and they can execute in a leadership way. So usually all the platform, all the school, they will give you the name of class leader. Why we are addressing them as a Maharajas and Maharani? What is the speciality of that name? Whenever we get into that, we could know that the Maharaja and Maharani of that domain having the whole responsibility of that particular class. If I am a Maharaja of that class, definitely I have a whole 360-degree responsible of my peer group, and I have to be stand as a Maharaja for the completion of my class, completion of homework, and arrangements of diary, and arrangements of the board presentation, and what it is the what are all the displays is there in the classroom, and during the lunch break, if anything help for the children to transform into the teacher. So everything complete responsibility of that particular domain. That's why we are calling them, and feeling good factor we are giving. They feel like Maharaja and Maharani. That is the reason we are mentioning them as Maharaja and Maharani instead of leader. And then we move on to the campus language. Communication is very, very important, my dear teachers. Communication, campus language, not only it's a responsible of the class teacher. So one teacher, nowadays one teacher is going for the 4 classes or 5 classes minimum. So all the 5 subject teachers are entering into the class. Not only the class, whoever is entering into the class, the responsible of the PET teacher, responsible of the corridor responsible people, and responsible of the yoga teacher, responsible of the ECA teacher, and all the break time. So every inside the premises, most importantly, we have to be very responsible persons during the transportation, transport time from school to home. Everybody outside us, outer circle are watching us. These children, where they are from. So where it will come from the teacher, from the campus. The campus language is very important. Please be very careful when you enter as a teacher. Definitely we have to prepare ourselves, even it is a LKG or it is a higher secondary. We prepare ourselves because they are imitating us. If the child is like that, means definitely it will reflect from the teacher. Direct proportion, no other choice, because 8 hours they are reflecting us. When they go home also, they are explaining about my teacher has taught this one, that one, and my teacher's dress code is like that, body language, they are imitating you. So we have to prepare ourselves. So how I am presenting as a trainer in front of the students, what is my communication, what is my language, and how I am transferring the knowledge, subject knowledge to the students. Everything is very, very important when you enter into the class. And the next will come to the personality. Very happy when I was a teacher in Montessori and a lot of grooming sessions we undergone. Grooming sessions means usually we did in the earlier stage actually. Now the pandemic is not allowing us also. But usually, when we dispersal, the time during the dispersal also in front of the parents, everybody starting from the teacher and the students looking fresh. We are always fresh inside, but we have to presentable in front of the parent. So we have to be very careful, keep your comb, and always we are doing all the dressing and everything for the children. When we hand over the children to the students, definitely it speaks louder. So please be very careful. I'm not insisting you to put a lot of lipstick, not like that. Elegant way of presenting, smiling on the face, and making the students to just comb the hair and everything be perfect when you hand over the students after 8 hours to the parents. And the dress code here, I would like to only point out one thing. We have a lot of platform in Acharya to celebrate, enjoy with the colorful dress, with a lot of earrings, big jimmickis and colorful bangles, lot of glass bangles or whatever it is on stage. If you are celebrating something, you please come with your wonderful dress code. But when I enter into the school as a teacher in the classroom, I am a responsible person. Why? Because I'm mentioning here, use your small stud and use 1 or 2 bangles without a lot of nail polish. And usually நம்ம டீச்சர்ஸா இருக்கும்போது நாட் கொண்ட போட்டிருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு ஒண்ணு இருக்கும். ஒரு மூவில காட்டும் போதே டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து இப்படிதான் ட்ரெஸ் கோட் காட்டுவாங்க. Why? Because the attention span of the children is different level, is different time period. The attention, and why this in schooling 45 minutes we decided for the one period. So with the full 45 minutes we cannot take the class. We are not able to take the class. So attention period is very less. First 5 minutes, you have to recall the previous class. And the next last 5 minutes, you have to give the circle time to interact with the students. The transferring knowledge will happen only 30 minutes. When you write it on the board, you're turning towards the board. The teacher is, the students are reflecting, students are looking at you. They are facing you only. So our dress code, jewels and everything should not disturb the students. So we have to be very careful. Please be in a perfect dress code, elegant way of communications, and you enter into the class. We salute this Acharyan teachers. Very important culture is this. And then next, we move on to the do's and don'ts. Certain things are do's and don'ts. Why we are mentioning here? Let's say, I want to interact here. Are you all comfort? Are you all feel good till this Acharyan culture? Are you all feel good? Are you all happy? Shall I move?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Storytelling method, I am transferring and giving you the listening space. Definitely we need to open our listening space. Definitely then only it will reach us through us. We can transfer to the students level. So now I would like to give you don'ts and do's. What are the things are do's, and certain things we should not follow it inside the premises. I will give you, usually all schools, ordinary schools, whenever we stand on the stage, the new joinees I'm giving you, last but not the least. If you are reading out the names or you are giving any program, usual people will give you last but not the least. Many of our YouTube also, any program, any schools, you go into that. Why Acharya is mentioning there, instead of last but not the least, last and most important. What is the reason? It's a simple thing. Why we need to concentrate on that? So I'm giving you a sample. My name is Vishnu Priya. If I am Vishnu Priya, I'm getting into the stage when my term, alphabetical order, my teacher is calling for my citation time. So my time, I'm waiting for my turn. The Vishnu Priya is a wonderful student. She's having a lot of capacity. She's a champion of champion, but she's waiting because her name is starting. The alphabetical order, my teacher is reading this. So when the child, the last child or last person, when you invite them, whatever the situation it may be, give a value to that person. The last and most important personality I'm inviting on the stage, you are giving a lot of value, the feeling good factor. So and the child will feel happy. So that is the reason. Please avoid last but not the least. In Acharya, definitely point out here for all the newcomers, last and most important, personality. It's a very important point. Next, sticking on the walls. நம்ம எல்லாருமே வந்து நம்ம வீடுன்னு ஒண்ணு இருந்தாலுமே மேக்ஸிமம் டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுவோம். This is our second home. School is our second home. வீட்டை எப்படிலாம் நம்ம பார்த்து போவோம். ஏதோ ஒரு செலிப்ரேஷன் வருது. We are painting the walls. Why? We are creating the feeling good factor. Freshness, positiveness. Fresher இருந்தாதான் ஒரு positiveness இருக்கும். So likewise, the school is also a second home. Please think of it. Use panel board and string instead of pasting on the wall. இப்ப டீச்சரா நம்ம என்ன நினைப்போம், ஸோ எனக்கு கலர்ஃபுல்லா நான் பயங்கரமா கலர்ஃபுல்லா வச்சிருப்பேன் ஸ்கூல்ல, அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது. இப்ப நம்ம as a teacher, if you want to become, you make a more colorful, please make the children's colorful. Through the children we can deliver the lot of colorful activities. Only students are the full transformer, the word of mouth from Acharya. If you transform through the student, the colorful expression through the students will speak louder rather than my classroom decoration. But we need certain things unconsciously, we need to give into the children's mind. So we have a plan. If you are not having a sufficient flannel board, ask your immediate boss. They will give you a get the thing in your classroom, all the direction. You can hang it whatever you want. You want to unconscious learning, you want to give it to the children. You can do a lot of display. Instead of doing during the project also, I'm insisting them, instead of more display, the colorfulness by the expression of the students will speak louder. So very important, no sticking on the walls. In each of every campus, all Acharya campus, we should not use the cello tape or stick-on tape or fevi, whatever is from. See, if you are using for the office purpose, whatever it is, you use it. But it should not be permissible inside the any of our Acharya premises. And next, I move on to the usage of but. Instead of but, we can use and. So myself, see, if suppose you just realize it, anybody, not only from students, teachers also, from us also, everybody is having a chain reaction only. From a student, if any two students is fighting, they will come and complain you. Madam, my friend is doing a good things. He is having a 2 pencil, but he is not giving one. But means anal, abdinale namanga negative circuit create pannidu. To avoid that negative circuit, you can use and. This is very, very valuable point. And then next move on to the informal language. If in Acharya, each and every teacher, you are a lucky teacher. You have a very less number of students in your classes rather than the 70 or 60 in other schools. You could have may have had an experience in previous schools also, but you have a lot of opportunity to know each and every individual's name. Please call them by name and Rajas, Ranis, they give a feel-good factor. Very important. Don't call them boy, girl, hey. It is always, everything is strictly prohibited inside these things inside the Acharya campus. So very important point I'm coming here is school entry and exit. Why am I mentioning here exit? Entry only, okay, pana, sikram varano. Adha mattumdana madam solranum. Yeah, exit solranga. So a lot of things are playing then the exit point also. Then I am a teacher. What I expect from my children? Please, anybody can share me what, any one teacher, please. What do you expect as a teacher? What do you expect from the student? Anyone? New teachers, please. Unmute yourself, share it. As a punctual, if you are expecting some punctuality from your student, what are all the things you are expecting? Any teacher, please?
The orderliness.
Yeah.
Be on time to the class, ma'am.
Okay, very good. See here, teacher, as I am a teacher means I can expect few things from the students. They have to be on time to school and they have to be in neat uniform. And if they are taking leave, prior information, they should give the prior information to the teacher. If they are coming late, that has to be transferred from the parents to the students. The prior information I expect and completion of the work. These things as a teacher I'm expecting from the students. Automatically it's a chain reaction. I already told you what you expect as a leader. You are a leader for the student, 30 students. What things you are expecting as a leader, the same thing your immediate boss is expecting from the teacher. So I have a lot of responsibility. So I should give a prior information. I should be inside the school premises on time. I have to be stand as a uniform and the exit. Why? If I am a head of the institution or the HOCs or the principals, whoever it may be, definitely the immediate boss, the management definitely will expect the certain things from the top management. Definitely it is a chain reaction. What I'm expecting from my students, definitely I have to be in the alignment in that particular area. So the next exit point, why I'm mentioning here the exit point, so all the teachers, the campus to campus, it is differ. I'm giving you generally now. If my timing, school timing is 4:30, okay, 4:30 over. I don't want to make the teachers to stay back, but I have certain responsibility. See, if I am a teacher, I'm coming out from the classroom 4:20, and I have a lot of work. Even the capacity, the campus is having 100 teachers. I'm rushing up to the office room. I'm keeping my biometrics and my signature in the register. You think about it. What all about your children are doing inside the classes. So you please think of it. I have a certain responsibility. You are acting as a mother here. Literally, definitely all Acharyan teachers should stay back and you have a different mode. You have, with the smiling face, you should have hand over your children to the parents and you have a responsibility to hand over to the transport department and you have a responsibility to hand over the auto wallahs. Then you come and you have a certain plus and minus, plus factor and minus factor. You please sit with your heads and discuss and do the planning for that. But we have, every one of us are having a exit culture. Exit punctuality is very important. We are not forcing here. Automatically as an Acharyan teacher, I have a responsibility for my 30 kids. I'm handing over all these children, or I have to plan accordingly. Then you move from the class. That is very, very important. This is why I'm mentioning here orderliness. Morning orderliness of the assembly, starting from the assembly, end of the session. Everything should be in order. Next, I'm moving to the next slide. Certain things we are here, we are sharing the Acharyan culture, do's and don'ts and everything. But here I'm mentioning certain things as a rules. Yeah, Acharya is a happy schooling part. Yeah, rules happy schooling, then a walk schooling, then a happier இருக்கலாம். எப்போ நம்ம ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும், certain things நம்ம practiceல கொண்டு வந்தாதான் ஹாப்பியா இருக்க முடியும். செய்யாமே பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் இல்லாம ஹாப்பியா இருக்கவே முடியாது. பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் யார் பண்ணணும், டீச்சர் மட்டும் பண்ணக்கூடாது. டீச்சர் மூலியமா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ரீச் ஆகணும். Through the students, if you are celebrating, definitely we don't want any word of mouth. Where the child is from, the child is from Acharya. See, you are the role model. The child is a role model of the teacher. See, you are already conveyed, you are already molded the child. The child is performing outside of the campus. Automatically, who is the teacher? Definitely, they will question you. Automatically, which platform they are coming from. So, certain things, so we have to be follow it. அதுக்கு நம்மளோட லைஃப் ரொம்ப முக்கியம் இல்லையா? டீச்சர்ஸோட லைஃப் எவ்வளவு முக்கியம். டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு லைக் டாக்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் இன்ஜினியர் மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ரிஃபிக்ஸ் கொடுத்ததே ஆச்சாரியில சீஃப் மென்டர் தான். ட்ரெயினர்ஸ், யூ ஹாவ் அ லாட் ஆஃப் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி, யூ ஹாவ் அ லாட் ஆஃப் வேல்யூ ஃபார் அவர் லைஃப். ஸோ யூசேஜ் ஆஃப் ஹெல்மெட், இப்போ கவர்மெண்ட்ல ஹெல்மெட் போடணும்னா நம்ம யாருமே 100% போடுறதே கிடையாது. ஸோ சர்டன் திங்ஸ் வந்து ரூல்ஸா கொண்டு வந்தாதான் டெஃபினெட்லி அது வந்து அந்த குட்னஸ் உங்களோட பெனிஃபிட்டுக்காக தான் நம்ம சொல்றோம். ஸோ தோஸ் ஹூ ஆர் டிராவலிங் பை 2-wheelers, ஸ்டார்டிங் ஃப்ரம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ஆக்சுவலாவே வரவே கூடாது, அவங்களுக்கு அந்த லைசன்ஸே இருக்காது. மேபி சில கேம்பஸ் எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஹை கிளாஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் யூசிங் தி 2-wheelers instead of parents dropping from the parents desk, they are coming by 2-wheelers and teachers are coming morning rush up. கண்டிப்பா டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து as a mother-ஆ நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு, as a wife, as a sister, as a you are rolling a multi personalities, you are acting. Definitely hats off to all the Acharyan teachers. So you have a responsibility for your family and as well as the school. You have a 30 children, so please be take care of yourself. When you travel by the 2-wheelers, definitely use the helmet. And then when come for the uniform, I already told you what is our presentation before the students. So definitely what you expect from the students, it will match. Then teacher and students, no folding hands. See, in olden culture, actually assembly time கூட ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா நிறைய பேருக்கு, எனக்குமே நிறைய டைம் இப்படிதான் போகும். ஏன்னா நம்ம வந்து brought up எல்லாமே நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ஸ்ல actually we are answering like that. So many in front of our teacher also, usually many teachers, நீங்களே கொஞ்சம் யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, நம்ம இப்படிதான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So it is, the folding hands is not permissible inside the Acharya campus. Why? Because the level, confidence levels, we feel the confidence level is very low. The child feels something shyness or delivering the content, they are having a doubt factor for delivery, then only automatically the folding hands should be like that. Or otherwise, if you have a confidence, if you have a thorough knowledge on that, automatically your body language from the bottom of the heart. So expression through eye to eye contact. So the no folding hands, please be very careful. Stand as a role model and train them. Our students, train the students in this way. And prior information, I already told you, exit and entry, and always, we are always focusing on the student. We are always with the student. So if you are taking leave, you please think of it. As a mother, if I am coming for some occasion, some celebration, coming little earlier, what we have to do at home, we are doing some arrangements. குழந்தைய பாத்துக்கிறதுக்கு, இல்லைன்னா ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு யார்கிட்டயா ஹேண்ட் ஓவர் பண்ணிட்டு, சம்திங் we are doing arrangements. You think of your 30 kids in the school. Please think of it. We are not going to force you to stop you to take the leave. If you are taking unavoidable situations, please try to communicate to the next level, the next boss, immediate boss, and what is the arrangements you are doing for your 30 kids for that one single day. Do that and then you take leave happily and you hand over the child. Very important things, notice period. Why am I mentioning here in Acharya culture? Wherever you go, you are having a lot of, this is an HR part, but even though, as a principal, I would like to give you one point to this notice period. We have a responsible of, again, I'm telling you, 30 students in my hand. If I am going to release, so please be think of it. Always happy. Acharya will always help you. If your reason, you are going to get married. or you're getting the government job, or unavoidable situations, you are admitted in the hospital, definitely Acharya family is with you, Acharya chief mentor is with you. But without prayer, marriage decide பண்ணா ஒரே நாள்ல இன்னைக்கு ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணி நாளைக்கு பண்ண போறது இல்ல. If you are getting a government job, definitely இன்னைக்கு உங்களை கூப்பிட்டு நாளைக்கு நம்ம ஜாப் போக போறது இல்ல. So Acharya won't stop you. They will handshake and give you a better place. If you want to move from one institution to the other institution for betterment of your whatever the financial this one, if Acharya feel good, they can give you, or otherwise they will happily send you. But prayer information is very important, not for the institution. You are giving prayer information only for your 30 children. Please think of it as a mother, take a decision and inform to your management, and then relieve from the campus. So you are handing over your potential children to the other responsible person. So you have a greater satisfaction in that field, that point. That's why I'm mentioning here, this is also a Acharya culture. Next slide. And I would like to give you a sample of the green board presentation. Every board should have I can, you can, we can. Let's put India on top of the world. Why? Because feel good factor only again. I'm making the students to stand on top of the world. I'm making all the WOW schooling concept to only the purpose to make a holistic education, to give a holistic education, make each and everyone stand on top of the world, India on top of the world, through the citizen, through Acharyans. So that is why we are giving the feel good factor of this line on every green board. And then day to day, when you enter as a teacher or the previous day of the class, if you are more responsible, please think of it. Okay, whenever the teacher really move from one class to another, this is a very important Acharya culture. Erase the board. Whatever you learn, whatever you taught to the children, science and mathematics, the concept, you erase it and give a space for the another teacher to enter. This is a very important factor. So எல்லா டீச்சருமே நிறைய டைம் என்ன பண்ணுங்க, ஒரு கிளாஸ் வந்து இன்னொரு கிளாஸ் போறோம், இங்க எழுதி போட்டு ஃபுல்லா போர்டு ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும், அப்படியே erase பண்ணாம போயிடும். That is a very good factor we should follow here and erase it. Not erasing all these content. These things are permanent in the board. You just divide the board into a different segment and you place it permanently. Number of Rajas and Ranis present. Always you are giving the feel good factor. And smiley frowning. This is a motivation factor. I already told you WOW schooling is like an ocean. If you get into the smiley frowning, you need a separate episode. If you need to enter into the kingdom, you need a separate episode. But I will give you, I'm touching the one drop of everywhere WOW schooling, and I'm trying to convey all these cultures now to our peer group, now the faculty members, and then kingdom chart, and then home fund, and word of the day. If I am a teacher, I'm entering, I'm an English teacher, definitely you learn one new word and come prepared with the meaning and making sentence, everything, and introduce that new word to the teacher. And it should be on the board permanently. And the next new word. So it is all about the culture of Acharya and the Acharyan font. When I am standing as a teacher, when I take the chalk and presenting myself on the board, please be very careful. They are the mirror. The students are mirror. You are like a mirror. So they are reflecting your action. They are reflecting your handwriting. You are reflecting your body language, your language. Everything is a reflection. If the students is performing well, definitely the teacher is automatically who is the teacher. The point is going there. So you have to be with the chalk. Please be very careful writing on the board. Not only the calligraphy award or something we are awarding in the later stage, but whenever, not for in front of the audit people only. Whenever you feel good, whoever comes, you come and assess me. I am always like that, not for assessment. I am always delivering the best and very best to the students as an Acharya. So these are all the things or Acharya culture. When you see the green board of your class, it should be permanently, it should be there. And when you move to the class to class, erase the green board and give a space for the other teacher. Then next, move on to the next slide. It's a very important point. After the sessions, we will share all these assembly agenda. If you want anything, one or two, you need to change and you can do it according to your premises. But certain things, why? Because this design is for the time management and giving the equal platform for maximum students on the stage. The assembly stage is created in that way in Acharya. not only closing eyes and doing prayer. Each and every droplet of the assembly agenda is designed for the building, confidence building activity. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday until the Friday, you have a lot of agendas. Flag hoisting separate one day, sharing of the prize distribution one day, because cumulatively the whole week you can distribute the awards in single day for the time management, especially. And then Acharyan vision, mission sharing, and rise and shine. You can give a space for every day, because you have a lot of strength. You can give a lot of place for exhibiting their talent through the rise and shine. They can, whatever positiveness, what they had yesterday's experience, they can share it on the stage. This is rise and shine by the students. This platform is very important. Please be very careful when you conduct the team members for the assembly. Frame the team members, and plan it according to your timetable, and execute the assembly in an excellent way. And the stand to win meeting, and followed by the stand to win meeting. Stand to win meeting is a very, very important Acharya culture. So this is not for the transferring or chatting anything. So for that day, today morning only, we are not going to plan. Already it's planned. Some emergency, anything you are receiving from the top management, or today especially we are going to give anything, how to execute, everything is ready or not. So you have to interact with your immediate boss, teachers, and the head of the institution. If teachers, if you have 100 teachers, definitely it is not possible in the morning after the assembly. You are, according to your structure, organogram of your institution, you can interact with your next level coordinators, and through the coordinators you can take it to the larger good. If anything very important, the communication miscommunication is, it will happen, means definitely you can interact during the assembly. According to the larger crowd, you can interact whatever you want directly to the teacher. The stand to win is very, very important. And the next point, I'm moving to the next slide. In classroom, I'm going to give you what is the responsibility in classroom. Madam, classroom students certain things, definitely this platform, I had a wonderful platform. Definitely, I would like to transfer from me. And here, the welcome and dispersal of the students with the happy greetings, I already mentioned. And during the lunch break is very, very important. As I am as an Acharyan teacher, I have a lot of opportunity. My campus is a very big campus. I have a staff room and I have a lawn. Why don't I sit in the lawn, and I can sit in the staff room and eat with my teachers and chatting during that time? Why I should not do that? So as a teacher, I told you, Acharyan teachers, you are an extraordinary teacher, not an ordinary teacher. During this lunchtime, definitely think of it. You have a very big role. And before starting up of the lunch, making the students to sit comfortably with lunch tower or whatever, the seating arrangements, the table manners is very important. And do the Annapurni Slokam. Get the Annapurni Slokam. All these things we will share it after the program. Annapurni Slokam, recite the Annapurni Slokam, close the eyes, and then teachers go round of your classroom, just 2 minutes, and it will give a pleasure, a plus factor for the children. Okay, my teacher is observing me, what is my lunch? Simply you go round, only 4 rows are there, go round. If any help, the opening tiffin box, anything the child needs, and you interact with them. So what is the healthy food? So you have a green book, a lot of books you have, happiness index chart. MD has given a lot of tools. I'm not going depth into that, all tools. Definitely a lot of episode we need. So you just interact with them. These foods are very good for health. And ask your parents to prepare there like that. And tomorrow I will ask you what food you are bringing. If you communicate or converse 2 minutes with your children before you opening your lunch box, definitely the child after the school hours, they will interact with the parents. This is how my teacher is taking care of my health. And during the lunch break also, it is the word of mouth. Don't expect we are Acharya doing this, that. Only by the expression of student. You should not shout enough. Definitely your expression will shout enough. So through the students. So you please try to do that only 2 minutes. Then you feel good factor. You just receive positive feedback from the parents. You just feel it. You enjoy it. That essence. And very important, Montessori teachers, I'm requesting, because I'm from that platform, I'm giving you, this is a very important culture of Acharya. During the nap time, Montessori LKG students only taking the nap time, not everyone. தூங்க சொல்லிட்டாங்க மேடம் அதனால தூங்குறது இல்ல. LKG students afternoon, the 3+ age students need some rest and Montessori kids. But for that, as a mother, what I have to do for my kid, வீட்ல என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அப்படியே வந்து clean பண்ணாம இடத்தெல்லாம் clean பண்ணாம bed spread check பண்ணாம அப்படியே தூங்க வைப்போமா, இல்ல எப்படி health and hygienic part, how we will take care as a mother. In that same way, here it is not possible every day for the cleaning, but we have a possibility, peak possibility during the Saturday cobweb cleaning. That is an Acharya culture. You just enrich the maids. You have a lot of maids. We are not going to do the cobweb cleaning. But as a teacher, I have to give the enrichment to the next level of the people. I have to enrich my sister to do the cobweb and washing the classroom and washing the mattress and washing, if you have a mat, washing all the mats. Check the cleanliness of your classroom. Then the next 1 week is easy for you to feel good factor, and you will do your classwork and whatever it is, you are going to complete the homework part and diary part. It is easy for you to carry over. After make the place for everything in its place. So definitely please enrich the next level of people and do all these Acharyan culture, very important. Next we move on to the next slide. Teachers must motivate, all should know I can, you can, we can. That concept is only for the motivation and feel good factor. Apart from one more very important, because I am a mother, I am a parent of Acharya. So my child has completed in the year 2015-16. Till now she is having a habit of reading the story books. Where it comes from? She is from 1st standard to 12th standard in Acharya. She was a passed out student. So where it comes? I'm not giving as a mother, I'm coming to school like you only and my father. I'm not giving any time, but 8 hours, I'm not creating that platform. But where she gained this platform? Only from the school, only from the teacher, who are all played a major role as a teacher in her life. Now she is reading a lot of books. So you people, we as an Acharya, if I am thinking I am a science teacher, I am a maths teacher, this is not my responsibility. Library is not my responsibility. Please insist, you're a very God, next to God, you're standing next to God. Please think of it. When you have a break time, when you have a lunch break, when you have a time, if you have a time as a substitution teacher, please motivate, create the urge in these students, among the students, to get the storybook from the library. Library period is usual platform. I'm giving a 2 library period for each class. So I can give a lot of time for the searching the books from the library. But who will give a platform, create the platform to learn, to motivate from the backside, to get the reading habit, to bring the reading habit from the children? Teachers. All teachers are having a lot of responsibility. You spend your time. If you keep all your stress and everything ahead, say simply behind you, and then you just, I'm here today, I'm going to enjoy with the children. I'm going to enrich my children, whatever the possible way I'm having inside this 8 hours. Wherever I get an opportunity, I'm going to interact with my child. Insist your class, give a healthy competitions. If I'm having 4th standard, 4 sections, see, my B section students are doing a lot of this. This week they are reading this storybook. So I will suggest you this storybook. Next week you complete and give the discussion panel among us. Okay, in this way you create a platform for motivate to enhance their reading skill through the library. That is very, very important. I request all my dear teachers to enhance the reading ability of the students by motivating. And then teachers always, I already told you, ensure that coming in a proper uniform and good culture. Next, we move on to the 3rd stage. I already told you, some adolescent age, when the child comes to the 9th to 12th grade, they need definitely counseling. In adolescent age, if the teacher has given, if I am a student, I had a lot of good teachers. I had a wonderful teachers in my pre-primary, primary, and the middle school. The teacher, the student is very lucky. They have a space here. They doesn't want any counselor also. If we create a holistic way of student, they doesn't want, because they already, the teacher has created a very big space, big pot, and some teachers are given a wonderful color. Now it is, the part is ready in their higher secondary teachers' hand. So it's ready to receive the lot of information for the future career. So already the two platforms have done a wonderful job. Now it's a celebration time. So please, in the higher secondary teacher, some children, if they need some stress under this, everything because of the atmosphere, anything, you please act as a friend and philosopher during the break time. Your ears towards the children. I'm not asking you to interrupt. And here one main concept I'm giving you in the classroom also. Happily, we have a culture of brotherly and sisterly friendship and relationship. We are not bifurcating the sitting place also boys and girls in the lower classes. Once you enter into the adolescent period only for some other concentration purpose, we are giving that. But usually in Acharya platform, the lower grades, everybody mingle together, brotherly and sisterliness. So when you have a break time in higher classes, especially 11th and 12th, you please be open your ears and listen to them. What the language, because in that age group, when you take the new entries in the grade 11, you have a multi-atmosphere peoples are in your hand. They will spoil. So you have a lot of responsibility to correct the newcomers also, to correct them as an Acharya. So you have to be listen what conversation, what communication they are doing in between the break time. So very important. And you have to create the win-win situations in the higher secondary platform. Not only there, that's why we have a wonderful tool as Leader in Me tool, win-win situation. So we have to allow the students one at a time during the class hours. Definitely, we cannot stop these students to go to the restroom. So we are we are allowing them, but you have to be very conscious whether the same child is moving from the classroom or the children are grouping themselves and they are moving from the classroom. Who is the control power here? The leader, the teacher. Please don't allow the students, two students or the group wise during the class hours. One at a time is very important. This is a very important culture because decorum is very important. And like that same thing is evening dispersal. For this is for a higher class teachers I'm mentioning here. Evening dispersal is very important. The teacher has to stand with the children till them boarding into the bus. Or you are like the Montessori teacher, like the primary teacher, you have to hand over the kids to the parent or auto wallahs or the transport department. Very important thing. That is a very important culture. And I told you now also it's through the pandemic period, we are learning a lot of things digitally and raising hands we are speaking. Why? Because giving a space, then only it is audible. So if you are shouting, there is a slight difference between the voice and noise. I already told you noise is not permissible inside the Acharya premises. When MDG in the beginning stage, now he is a very busy person, but in the beginning stage and all, if he walks in the corridor, he easily identifies whether the class is voice out or noising out. Voice and noise, there is a lot of difference. Raise hand, power teaching is a tool again I'm giving you. This is a wonderful walk schooling concept and we need a separate session for depth into this power teaching. And if you raise the hand and you voice out, you have all the opportunity to voice out. And if you're chorusly you are answering, that is a noise. If the teacher is creating the platform for noise out, I'm not a right person. If the teacher is creating a place, circle term, voice out, definitely I am a right person as a teacher. So Acharya teacher should always be a multi-personality role. You're doing a multi-personality role. And kingdom, I already told you, kingdom, Chattyara, Chola, Pandya, and Pallava, this is only because of peer group learning. Easy to make your work easy. Not only learning, the peer group create just a motivation between the kingdom, the monitor, that group Maharaja is also will give you a 100% completion what you expect as a teacher. The kingdom is very important and Parihara statement is very, very important. I will give you just it is in the diary. Parihara statement is very, very essential, top to bottom. Everybody, if I am not in integrity, if I am little late to that program, I'm not in alignment, I'm not in any complete zone. So I'm not completing my classwork on time. I'm not completing my homework on time. Definitely give a practice to the students in front of the other students, Parigara statement to get the Tathastu from the others. Definitely the next time they feel good. Okay, I'm doing this. This is the wrong. So I have to correct myself for the completion. The Parigara statement is a wonderful platform to give a right personality. It is in the diary. Please go through that. And then no corporal punishment in Acharya. அடிக்கிறதே கிடையாதுங்க. பேரண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரே கம்ப்ளைண்ட். இந்த ஆச்சாரியால பயமே கிடையாதுங்க. See, lot of difference. I told you voice and noise. If my primary teacher, pre-primary teacher has given and shaping me with a full responsibility, there is no word of beating and whatever it is. And all the third segment teacher also monitoring with the adolescent age. Definitely there is a no word of it. Because why? Because I'm giving you here no corporal punishment inside the classroom or in the hand of teacher, no scales, steel scale, wood scale, glass scale, எதுவுமே இருக்கக்கூடாது ஆச்சரியால. ஆபீஸ் ரூம்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. என்ன மேடம் எதுவுமே ஸ்கேல் இருக்கக்கூடாது எப்படின்னு ட்ராலாம் பண்ணுங்க. உங்களோட ஸ்டாஃப் ரூம்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. You can do it. You can have a lot of work done or whatever they register. You just maintain it. And then it is not permissible inside the classroom. And then instead of that, madam, நான் எப்படி கரெக்ட் பண்றது இந்த குழந்தைங்க? பிகினிங்ல இருந்தே கரெக்ட் பண்ணணும். So Parigara statement is there. Or otherwise sit-ups. If we do the sit-ups, the Mooladhara will be activating. You are activating the Mooladhara, giving a space. What I'm doing the wrong things. Okay, I can correct myself. So when the Mooladhara opens, the receiving capacity will be more. And then instead of that, assigning more home fund. Or one thing, as a teacher, why he is doing incompletion? You please think of it. I already mentioning it. Why my children are always doing the incompletion? There, somewhere I am doing the wrong in the molding the holistic, the making the holistic personality. So I have to take a pain point now. Some of my colleagues are doing something wrong in some other place. That's why I am facing now. Okay, in my place, I am correcting. I will take the responsibility. I'm not blaming front and back. So I will take the full responsibility as a teacher. As I am a sixth standard teacher, my children are doing something wrong. So here in this 1 year span, 200 plus days, what I am going to give a plus factor for my children to give away these children to the 7th standard. How can I promote these 6th standard students to the 7th? The other class teachers won't give any other feedback, the negative feedback on the previous class. So I have to do my great job now itself. I have a sufficient time. So we have to take a pain point. We have to stay back with them and make the student, it is for little time, a short period of time only. If you are staying 1 or 2 days, definitely the children will come up from that. Okay, I'm doing mistakes. I don't want to stay back. Why I have to stay back? I'm making my teacher also to stay back. So please be very conscious enough. Happily you transform, making them easy way for the completion. It is easy for us also to handle the students in the happy schooling. That is the happy schooling. Instead of corporal punishment, you have a lot of steps. Sit-ups போட சொல்லிட்டாங்கப்பா, அதனால 200 sit-ups ஒரு first standard students நம்ம போட சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னா அவன் முட்டியெல்லாம் வீங்கிட்டு next day parents வந்து உங்களுக்கு complaint பண்ணிப்பாங்க. So we have everything. We have a limited span, and you have a lot of opportunity to correct the students in a positive way. Please see to that, and we have to take a very careful action and for giving the better positive feedback from the outside circle. And then diary எடுத்துக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா டைரிக்கே உங்களுக்கு ஒரு 4-5 எபிசோட் தேவைப்படுங்க. டைரி அப்படி பார்த்து சீஃப் மென்டர் வந்து டிசைன் பண்ணிருக்காரு. ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ்லயும் ஒரு டைரி. யூஸ்வலா நீங்க வெளியில இருக்க அதர் ஸ்கூல்ஸ்ல பாருங்க, ஒரே டைரி தான். நோட்டிங் டவுன் வாட் இஸ் ஹோம்வொர்க், வாட் இஸ் திஸ், ஒரே டைரி தான் இருக்கும், மேக்ஸிமம் இருக்கும். நியூ கமர்ஸ் கேட்டா தெரியும். Because it's taking a long time. That's why I'm giving my point to you right now. And diary அப்படின்னு எடுத்தா மாண்டெசரியில ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும், மிடில் ஸ்கூல்ல வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும், தென் இந்த ஹையர் கிளாஸஸ்ல வேற மாதிரி டிசைன் பண்ணிருப்பாரு. ஏன் இப்படி டிசைன் பண்ணணும்? ஏன் டைம் எடுத்து இதெல்லாம் டிசைன் பண்ணணும்? You go deeply into that, and we will have a separate session. Definitely there are a lot of icons are here, expertise people. They will give you the wonderful session. Each and every diary we have a blessings. Now already I told you the word of mouth, not only from the teacher and not only from the outer circle. I want the word of mouth from the student performance excellence. then only it will be sustained enough. If we shout, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, no way. If my students are performing, excelling, I don't want to shout. Why I need to shout here? So I have to put a lot of effort. Who is going to put a lot of effort? The teachers, Acharyan teachers. So you think of it, what value you have? The trainer, I am a trainer. So you see to that, every day you do the completion. So otherwise, teacher, as a teacher, we have to do the parigara statements and I'll do for the completion. So you every day you have to check the diary, whether the daily blessings, the students are getting the blessing from the parents. அதனால காலில் விழுந்துதான் வாங்கிட்டு வருவாங்க. அப்படிலாம் எல்லா குழந்தையும் காலில் விழுந்து வாங்கிட்டு வரணுமா? No. Artfully, every day parents are giving blessings. But even though the child, if you communicate something to the child definitely, you are a role model. You are a mirror. The child will next day, they will ask their parents, mother, mummy, amma, appa, எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் bless பண்ணுங்க. And teacher, இன்னைக்கு என்னோட டைரி பார்ப்பாங்க. Then definitely உங்களோட blessings வேணும். You can communicate whatever you want to the children. So students, then the next day they will interact with the parent and they receive their blessings. Up a feel good factor automatically for traditional, the culture Acharya is giving to my child. The parents automatically feel good. They will share it to their outer circle. That is the word of mouth. And waking up time. The teacher has to interact during this break time and all other time. I told you, no, I am 8 hours, I'm here only for the student. So I have a separate time for the get together with my friends and with my student sharing day. Or Saturday, any Saturday, I'm arranging. I'm definitely all human beings. We need a time to interact with my colleagues, happily enjoy. We can create a separate platform. Definitely, we will enjoy together. We stress out, but during the class hours, these things you interact with the students. The student automatically they will act. That's all. That is the word of mouth. Waking up time, bedtime, at what time you're going for bed. My dear children, don't look the TV and don't go through the video games or whatever it is. It will give you eye problem and it will give you a stress. And in future, you cannot. These things are the negative factor. If you are following these factors, it is a plus factor for you. Who will transfer all these knowledge? Only teacher, through teacher to student and to students to the outer circle. This is only chain reaction in Acharya. And home fund. Smiley, frowny, you mention it in the diary and put your signature. And the very next day, whether my parents are going through the diary, if you cultivate the blessing habit and make the parents to put the tick mark and wake up and bedtime, definitely every parents will look into that every day. It is not a pain point when during the audit time alone. Audit time when they are coming out, some people outside people will come and audit. Are we working for that? No. We are working wholeheartedly for the students. Whoever comes, whichever the time, definitely it is not only for one person. Across Acharya, I'm giving you. If we completing the time on time, it is easy for us to whoever come and audit. So I am not doing my job only for auditing. I am doing for wow purpose. I am making the student as a holistic personality. Please be very careful. Then and there, as a teacher, I have to do the completion. Otherwise, I will take up the parigara statement. Okay, yesterday I didn't complete my signature in the diary. I will do it from today onwards. So diary concept is very, very important. Let me move to the next point. Acharya program. A lot of programs are there. Today's program, why we started with the prayer and everything, just for the Acharyan culture, I'm showing you. Here, 100 days plan, a SWOT analysis for every program is important, starting from the kite flying thing. So everything you have to sit with your team and pen down all the 100 walk schooling tools where you are going to take and what are all the celebrations, Diwali and Pongal or Christmas and Ramzan, whatever it is. How, what, when, why, how, all these questions you created. Put the SWOT analysis. What is my strength through this? What is my opportunity? What is the threat factor? What is the weakness? So everything you pen down it and then you go for the celebration. That is the SOP of that every program. That is Acharya culture. Without SOP, please don't execute anything. And then go for the program itinerary. Pen down it. Who is the top management? Who is going to take over on stage and delivering the content, comparing person, everything, pen down everything. Then the reception is very, very important. In reception, maximum celebration with Kalasam. Some few celebrations are there, then and there the Acharya top management will give you don't keep the kalasam for some purpose. And maximum we are keeping the kalasam, the traditional way of executing it. And starting with Malabola song. If the chief guest or chief mentor is arriving for that program, don't play the Malabola song when they arrived on the stage. Before that, 5 minutes earlier, if you are describing 5 o'clock is your program, 4:55 you start the program, Malabola song. Making them a peaceful, the audience get into that spiritually, connect with the God, the peaceful mind they are going to observe and enjoy the program. So you complete the Malabola song before arrival of the chief mentor and before arrival of the chief guest. That is very important. And lighting of the lamp, traditional way of celebration. One thing I would like to point out here, lighting of the lamp is not possible in the open space. ரொம்ப காத்தடிக்குதுப்பா அங்க லைட்டிங் ஆஃப் த லேம்ப் வச்சுட்டு சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் எதிர்க்க நம்ம மேட்ச் பாக்ஸை எடுத்துக்கிட்டு அந்த லைட்டிங் வந்து பண்ணவும் முடியாது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ பிளஸ் ஃபேக்டர், பட் வி cannot do that. Inside 4 walls, inside auditorium, anything, everywhere, you can do the program with the lighting of the lamp and welcome address and gratitude note. Usually all the program, all the schools are doing the gratitude note at the end. But in Acharya, in between, wherever you need, you give the gratitude note. Gratitude is very important, valuable things, because a lot of people and working behind the success of that program. So at the end of the session, the parents will move off from that program. So we have to give the importance to the most important personalities. The gratitude note is very important for the program. And next I move on to the lot of enzymes, lot of hormones or secrete in our body for some other reason. And for that hormones, what factor will give the increased percentage of that hormones? If we do this one, we will get the happiness. If you do this one, we will be a stressless moment. We will feel good. So here in Acharya, for dopamine hormone is especially for happiness. If you secrete, if you give a place for secretion, lot of dopamine, definitely happiness. The children will be very happy. So in what are all the places? I'm giving you a few examples only. If you say woo and oye, accomplishment feeling, instead of clapping, always you say woo, I am appreciating your work. And then oye is that I'm happily receiving it, the students' feedback. And then Arya currency for motivating all these things. I received a lot of Aryas. Okay, I did a wonderful things. I have done a wonderful job in my platform. And then trophies during the citation. Everything is designed to give a happiness, to increase the dopamine, that hormone. Next we'll come to the endorphins, reducing the stress. The adolescence is having a stress. Why? Because they are that plays only that the playway method and the happily connect with the other platform. Then they have a lot of space. If they doesn't have a lot of space, they will go under the stress. If already they are molded in the right way, they have a lot of space and easy, cozy way they can carry over all these things. So if you want to reduce the stress, Sabdamaha Kriya. So cleansing of the organ. And I saw one student from Chennai, I think yesterday, in this group, and wonderfully the child has done a wonderful job. Sabdamaha Kriya. And you just go through it. Our chief mentor is having a lot of Sabdamaha Kriya video, and from the WOW team you can connect and collect from the Sabdamaha Kriya video from that team, and you execute. This will give you a plus factor for your students. If the students are doing Sabdamaha Kriya and oil pulling at home in the morning, you think of it, what the parents will feel it. Definitely something goodness. The teachers are taking a lot of care in Acharya. My students are doing, that is the word of mouth, outer circle. Automatically the parents will speak to the neighbor. See, Acharya, my child is studying in Acharya. They are teaching this much of goodness to my students. Cleansing of them, very important. And we have a lot of and yoga platforms to stress out. And here the PT period, I would like to give you Acharya and cultures. 2 things here I missed out, and I will give you here. One is Syllabum and other one is Malcolm. It's a very mandatory for all the students. Malcolm is mandatory especially for primary students, and the Syllabum is for the middle school students. Why? Because the shoulder, if you do the Malcolm activities and Syllabum, hand and eye coordination, and strengthen the shoulder bones, bodily they can fit enough, healthy purpose. It is a mandatory in Acharya. So apart from that, you have a easy activity, but you have to be give a lot a separate a time for executing whole lot. It's a larger good purpose. So Malcolm and Silamam is a very important Acharya culture. And then serotonin, you are going to connect with the people. You are creating birthday wishes on stage. If you wish any birthday babies every day standing on the stage, wishing all together 1,000 people are wishing me, definitely I feel good. It is a happy factor for me. And through the projects, in front of 30 parents, 30 into 2, 60 parents are standing in front of me and delivering my content in a big crowd, in a confident way, whatever by on the 2 lines or whatever it is, small first standard students delivering, Montessori is delivering the citation lines. So they feel good, confidence level. So these platforms in Acharya, awareness through the awareness program, something you're doing goodness to the society, the larger, greater schedule, the third segment can do that. So you please think of it in Acharya Wow Schooling, each and every concept is having a reason behind to make the holistic personality. So next, oxytocin, that is heart to heart connect. Happiness index. Every day, before the pandemic, we had usually in Acharya, you have a happiness index chart and gesture through the gestures. You are welcoming the students after the assembly, you are welcoming the students to the classroom. Even before the assembly also, if the teachers I am on time, you are welcoming the students with the gestures. That will feel good and connecting now eye to eye contact. My teacher is welcoming me happily today. So they feel good whole day. That will speak the child after the school, after they are going home, they will express, my madam has given this punch or hugged me or saying the clap like this and welcome me in the class. That is the word of mouth. There the students are spreading the word of mouth through their expression. So please, through the children, everything, only making the purpose, ultimate purpose and goal is making the holistic personality and giving to the society. And handshake, hug, everything, happiness index is to increase the level of oxytocin. Let me move on to the next one. It's a very important, sometimes making it as a compulsory one also. Why? Because I'm giving you students' attention span, I already told you, is very less. If the teacher, you are a role model, I already told you. And the stress factor, where it is coming, the shape of the students, the molding of the students, if it is lacking there step by step, definitely the stress will increase. If as a Montessori teacher, am I giving the fullness to the student? As a middle school teachers, am I giving a full completion to the students? If as a higher secondary teachers, am I giving my fulfillment to the students? Where it will start with the bliss, with the spiritually you have to connect. Your mind should be relaxed. So every day in Acharya platform, 12 noon, you have before the lunch, you have a golden smile meditation, connect with your heart. Every day you have here I'm sharing the chart and here you see this lungs, heart, spleen, liver and kidney. All these, every day you have a organ cleansing and touching the organs by doing the golden smile meditation. You please twist out, and this is a mandatory thing. And you just MDG எப்பயுமே சொல்லுவாங்க, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்கால கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ண முடியல, எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியல, ஆக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. The acting become the action. Acting பண்ண action மாறிடும். If I'm not able to sit, my mind is going here and there. வீட்ல வந்து அதை பண்ணிட்டோமா, இதை பண்ணிட்டோமா, homework complete பண்ணிட்டோமா, next day exam, next period அவனுக்கு exam ஆகும். After the lunch break, some students are having examination. Their mindset, okay, whether I prepared the physics subject or chemistry subject. No, pen down everything. Put the pen on the table, pencil on the table. The teacher, you are a role model. First of all, if you are taking the lecture, whichever the class it may be, put your pen down on your table, sit with your students and close your eyes, touch the organ and do the meditation peacefully and pleasantly. We can start the next session. That is mandatory one. And happily in Acharya 12-12, we started the Shambhala, and the mastermind behind this, our spiritual guru, Dr. J. Arvindan Ji, has started in the 12-12 year, 12-12. Until the year we are doing the oneness meditation. That oneness meditation is good cause for the society, bring the goodness for the larger good. So this small seed every day will give you the handhold of the oneness for the larger good. So every month in the campus, give that practice 21 of every month or 12 of every month, sit together and oneness meditation, create a platform. And now we know very well, and this is the pandemic period. After once we come out from this pandemic period also, if you do, the Chief Mentor G is sharing the meditation music every day with integrity. If you are not doing or not, it doesn't matter for him. But with integrity, he is sharing. You think of it as a teacher, how should I inculcate? If I enrich my 30 students to do that meditation at home nowadays also, if I enrich, if you do 1 or 2 days, you see the difference. The parents will feel good. That is the word of mouth. Okay, Acharya is doing something special. Apart from morning 4 hours classes, their online classes. Okay, afternoon they are giving space for the meditation. Why not? See, everything, if we create a space, definitely by the expression of students, definitely we are creating the WOF schooling. We no need to shout enough. These are all the things are very, very important Acharya culture, and we don't have a lot of time. It is already on time now, and I would like to give you a few samples. So you have it's like a ocean. So before ending up of the session, I invite Lakshmi ji to give away the gratitude space, and after that you have a lot of visual treat, a simple visual treat. Happy, enjoy, join and
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kavita ji. It was excellent. It was like a flashback of my 20 years of service. 1 hour of information on Acharyan culture is like a drop in the ocean. Yes, dear teachers, it is not enough. I have experienced all this in my 20 years of experience. I have seen, felt, and taught the culture to my children. It's our Brotherji's dream of having a big dream come into reality. Now, I want to give my gratitude note to my beloved Brotherji. Without this school, we wouldn't have reached this for so many years. My Guru, I want to thank you. I know my words are not enough, but still I'd like to say to you, my Guru, Guru is everything in our eternal life. Nothing is possible without him. Life needs some power to push you up, and you, my Guru, has that superpower to push me up. In every halted situations, I have always got aspiration and inspiration from you. I have got light of existence. I have left behind all the problems of my life and moved towards the peak experiences of my life. Now to my teachers, on behalf of Acharya, I want to thank everybody who has made this webinar a big success. I want to thank each and everyone from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank all the teachers, coordinators, IT head Prakash sir, IT support Selvaraj sir, and the whole team of Acharyans who have made this webinar a great success. Without them, it wouldn't have been possible. Thank you all once again.
Thank you. Love you so much, Lakshmi ma'am. The next 2 minutes is an interactive. 1 minute, Selva sir. It's an interactive session. I would like to hear from the new joinees of Acharya. Please share your views. How about your feelings about today's session? Are you all feeling success? Or from Pondicherry? This is an interactive session. I'm expecting something from, I'm waiting to receive something from the new joinees. Happy and love you so much. Wholeheartedly, I thank Sivo sir and MDG. He is a very great personality who's a mastermind behind all these Acharyan culture. Thank you, love you so much, my dear team, and who are all passionate listeners today.